Hi, welcome to my channel. So today we will discuss about these data types. So in the last session, I have given you to research about the ranges and sizes of the data types. So see here, the data types. We have the two types of data types, right? One is primitive data types and another is reference data types. Under the primitive data types, we have numeric, char and boolean data types. So numeric data types, it represents numbers. Char data types, it represents characters. Boolean data types, it represents true or false. For boolean data type, will not have any size or any range, only true or false values only will have. In the numeric data types, again two types is there. One is integral, another is floating. One is whole numbers, another one is real numbers. So if you want to go with whole numbers, then we will go with integer data types. If we want to go with real numbers, then we go with floating data types. So in the integer data types, int is mainly we have to use. So this int size is -21474836482 2147483647. Its size is 4 bytes. Simply we have to give the range 2 to the power of 31. So from the range -2 to the power of 31 to 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. Here we can mention like 2 to the power of 31 minus 2 to the power of 31 minus 1. So this is the size of integer. This is the range of integer, and as well as byte, short, long. These are the size difference I told right in the last session. So the byte is 8 bits. Its range is -128 to 127, and short, its size is 2 bytes and long is 8 bytes. Similarly, floating data types, we have two types, float and double. For float value, we have 4 bytes and double is 8 bytes. Next, we move into the next session. Control M. Next, we will go to operators. I will take one another class. Operators and expressions. Operators and expressions. Finish. Operators and expressions. Control S. Okay. So in the operators and expressions, first we will know about what is operators. What are operators? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific operation on variables and values. Those are operands. Java has several types of operators like arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, bitwise. These type of operators are available in the Java programming. Arithmetic operators are using for math operations. Relational for comparing values. Logical for combining conditions. Assignment operators for assigning values. Bitwise operators for performing bit level operations. First we will go through arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo. For example, I will write one simple program to explain. I will start with main method, public static void main string args string. I will write another way, string args. This is also valid. Int a equals to 10. I declare a variable int a equals to 10. Int b equals to. Now I do the operations. Now I will do operations. System dot out dot println for addition. Simply I will give symbols for addition. A plus B. So what the result will become here means A is a 10 plus, then next B is equal to 3. B 10 plus 3 equals to 13. 13 the result will become here. Next here I will go through subtraction. So this is the subtraction symbol I will, or you can write subtraction or sub, whatever it may be. For I will use symbols only. For subtraction, here 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. The result will become 7. Next, divisor. This is the divisor. I will give space for each string for better understanding. In the inverted commas, whatever you mention, that only it will print as it is. Okay. 10 by 3. That is equal 3 3s are 9. Next, modulo. Here result will be 10 modulus 3. Remainder is 1. This is the output will become in the console tab. Let's save and run this program. Run as Java application. See here, this is the string which I mentioned in the inverted commas. For understanding, this is addition, this is subtraction, this is division, this is modulo. See, 13, 7, 3, 1. We will use the operators. So plus, minus, star, division and modulo to do mathematical operations. Next, assignment operators. Assignment operators. The assignment operator is used to assign values to variables. For example, a is equal 10. Here what is I am doing? This 10 value is assigning, right, to a variable, that is variable name a. 10 value is assigning to a variable name. So a equals to 10. This is a assignment operator. These are also compound assignment operators that perform an operation and assignment in one step. In these assignment operators, we have compound assignment operators that perform an operation and assignment in one step. Those are like plus equals, minus equals. See, I will show. This is the equal symbol. We know about it. This is a assignment operator. And compound assignment operators. See, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, star equals, divide by equals, modulo equals. These are the compound assignment operators. I will show in the example. For example, int c is equal to 10. This is the assignment operator I use, is equal to symbol. And now compound assignment operator, a plus is equal to 5. This means a is equal to a plus 5. Then that implies 10 plus 5 is equal 15. That means a is equal to 15 result will come. Right? So this is the use of assignment operators. Next, relational operators. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values. They return a boolean true or false values. Relational operators are used to compare two values. These are using for comparison purpose, and the return type should be boolean values, true or false. See, those are double equals to, not equals to, greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. See, I will show the example by writing a simple Java program. For example, int d is equal to 10, int e is equal to 5. I have two values declared, two variables are declared, d and e. System dot out dot println double equals operator. How it will work? Double equals operator. I will give here a equals to b. So here what will happen? 10 equals to 5. 10 equals to 5? No. 10 is not equals to 5. Then it will return Boolean value false. It will return Boolean value false. In the same way, I will use all operators. Not equals to. Here 10 not equals to 5. Yes, 10 is not equals to 5. Then true will return. Next, 10 greater than. A greater than B. That means 10 is bigger than 5. Yes, it is true. Next, less than. 10 less than 5. 10 is less than 5? No, it is false. Greater than or equal to 5? 10 greater than or equal to 5? Yes, true. Ten is less than or equals to 5? No, false. Like this, the result will be come. So, relational operators are used to comparison purpose. It compares two values and it returns Boolean values, true or false. Next, logical operators. Logical operators. Before going to logical operators, we will check once by saving it. Here we get any errors? No. See here, I have taken not A and B values. Here I taken D and E, so that's why it's showing. Here also C plus you have to mention. I am not using C, that's why it is showing like that. So here D and B. I will take A and B only simply. A, B. Okay, already I have given the A and B values in the class. So I will from here to here I will make comment. Okay, now into C is equal to 10. Here I am not doing the printing. I will print here system.out.println C value. Here I will write assignment. Operator which we are using plus is equal to. Okay, print earlier. Control yes. Now I will check. Proceed. See, this is the assignment operator. What is happening? 15 is the result is k, and remaining for double equals to false, true, true, false, true. 1 minute, something is happening. So here I am not mentioned the greater than, that's why. Now look, false, true, true, false, true, false. Okay, this is the logic. Next, logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions. These operators are used to combine two or more conditions. So these are logical and, logical or, logical not. Not operator, logical and, logical or, not operator. This logical AND operator returns true. Logical AND operator. It returns true. When it will returns true if both conditions are true. Logical AND operator returns true if both conditions are true, otherwise false. Or, logical OR, this is the operator. It returns true if at least one condition is true. At least one condition is true, then it will return true. Otherwise false. Not operator. It inverts Boolean value. For example, if the value is true, then it will be show false. If the value is false, then it will return true. It inverts Boolean value. Let's check with example. System.out.println. First I will write the conditions. I will declare two Boolean values. Boolean is he playing with Java? True. Boolean is biryani is tasty? False. See, here only underscore symbol and a dollar symbol will accept in the variable names. Okay. False. This is the first condition. Is Java, is he playing with Java, and is biryani tasty? Two conditions I added. One is true, another is false. Then the result should come when both conditions are true, then only it will return true. Now it will return false. Why? Because why means is he playing with Java is true, is biryani tasty is false. So false will return. Next, using OR operator. OR operator. In this, either any one condition needs to be true. Is he playing with Java is a true. Is biryani is tasty or not? But one condition is true here, so it will return true. Next, not operator. Not operator. Instead of the in front of the condition, if you mention not operator, then it inverts the Boolean value. Is he playing with Java is a true value, but it inverts false. It inverts the value true, false. Next, not. System.out.println. Here it will return true. This is false. Actual value is false. It inverts the Boolean value. So here false is there, then it will give true. Let's check. Right click, run as Java application. See here, the first value is false, second value is true, third value is false, and again true. So like this, we can use the logical operators to combine two or more of the conditions. Next, increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators. Increment and decrement operators, these are used to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. Here we have post increment or post decrement. That is plus plus minus minus. Post increment or post decrement. A plus plus, A minus minus. Plus plus minus minus. Increment and decrement operators are plus plus minus minus. In this, we have two types: post increment, post decrement, and post pre increment, pre decrement. Pre increment, pre decrement. That is plus plus A minus minus A. Post increment or decrement after the expression is evaluated. Post increments or decrements after the expression is evaluated. Here opposite, before the expression is evaluated. Let's check in the example. Let's check in the example. Int j is equal to 10. System dot out dot println a plus plus. Here what will happen, the output will come 10 only. Post increment, that means first a value is 10 only. After evaluation, then the a will be changed as 11. Next it become 11. To see that one, simply system dot out dot println write a. See, check here. First a value is 10 only printed, so after evaluation it becomes 11. Okay, in the same way, int k is equal to 10 I taken. Oh, 1 minute. So here j right, already a mentioned in the 10 minutes, so that's why it is showing 10. Here k. Okay. Plus plus. What will happen? Now the k value is 10. Before evaluation, that k value will be increased. That means here the value is 11. Next 11 only will happen. The value is 11. Let's check. See, the output is 11. This is the j value 10. After evaluation, j value becomes 11. Next, k value is 10. Before evaluation, it becomes 11. Then its value is 11 only. Next, minus minus. First it will be 10. After evaluation, it become 9. Minus minus. First it will be before evaluation it becomes 9. Let's see. 9. Okay, that is the use of post increment, decrement and pre-increment, decrement operators use. Next, expressions. An expression is a combination of variables, operators and values that result in one value. An expression is a combination of variables, operators and values that results in one value. Like int result is equal to 10 plus 5. Here we have 10 plus is a operator, 5 star is a operator, 2, and with semicolon. What will happen here? 10 plus 5 will be evaluated first. Then 10 plus 5 will be evaluated first. Then result is multiplied by 2. then the result will be 30. You can give like this also. So j is equal 10, k is equal 10, right? Int result 1 is equal k plus j star 3. Here j value, k value is 10 plus j value is 10, that implies 20. First this value will be evaluated, after it will multiply with 3, then it becomes 60. To print these values, simply write system.out.println, system.out.println result. To concatenate another result also, then simply give the space, use plus operator and leave a space, plus result 1. Control S, check. See, first 30 is came, other value is 60. This is the use of expressions. Next, you practice with your arithmetic operators. Write a program that takes two numbers from the user and perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in your own way, and you can take your values. Logical operators also use, increment and decrement operators also use, and do the practice. Thank you.